This is the flag of Malaysia and Penang. We are in Batu Ferringhi today. By the way, very beautiful beach. It's very nice weather, no rain, sun, sunshine, very hot, like island life.
So one thing about Batu Ferringhi is the beach is super clean, white sand beach, and just like behind me, horse riding by the beach. And also this Batu Ferringhi beach is famous for the water sport. Just like behind, there are so many water sport vendors offering you the service like parasailing, banana boat, cruising, beach buggy, and also fishing.
And also horse riding, like this girl driving actually behind. And we started our adventure in Batu Ferringhi today in Starbucks. Well, I know Starbucks, but this is probably one of the most beautiful Starbucks in the world what I ever visited, because it's directly next to the beach. This Starbucks have even the sunbeds for the customers. Can you imagine that? And directly you can go to the beach. Also, sad things about the Batu Ferringhi where we are is there is the hotel, there is the restaurant. All of this is closed. It's very, very quiet, and many businesses are closed except the Starbucks, and seems like most of the people actually coming to the Starbucks because this is like the only one place what is open and lively around. Very beautiful place, but Starbucks.
So just like next to Starbucks, the world famous, I think, used to be the restaurant in Batu Ferringhi area is sadly closed. So yeah, this is how it is nowadays. So we are in Starbucks. I'll show you. I think this one is the only one place which is opening, and some people are here cooling off from the heat, including Damian drinking. Hi honey. So yeah, just like I told you, this one is the busiest place in Penang. I know it's Starbucks, but look at the crowd. Yes, like I told you, the busiest place in Batu Ferringhi, Penang.
As you saw previously, as Winny showed you, the Starbucks inside is lively, and the parking situation is also pretty busy over here. The restaurant of the ship one, the same like in Kuala Lumpur. On the Google Maps they said it's open, but doesn't look optimistic from the beach side. Not sure if the building is open or not. However, we're gonna show you a little bit of the city center of Batu Ferringhi. Nice place by the beach, but not so busy. I forgot to mention the prices in Starbucks, just in case if you're interested. We pay for the Grande Frappuccino Java chip and Grande Mocha 35 ringgits, which is $8 Still cheaper than in Bali, but yeah, Starbucks in Asia is like that one. This is a little bit of the view of the city center of Batu Ferringhi. The guy casually working with his horse here, like this. Casually la. There's supposed to be a hotel at the front, but as you can see the gate is closed, and there was the link going to the beach next to the hotel, but next hotel is also closed, unfortunately. Taxi service box without the taxis, and the pancake shop is also closed, at least in these dates. At least the bus is still driving around. We came by this bus, by the way, to Batu Ferringhi today. So overall, it feels a little bit quiet here. I never been in Batu Ferringhi. I was in Penang, but not in Batu Ferringhi itself. Winny was a few years ago, and it was busier, obviously, right?
Yeah. And now even like everything is coming back, let's say coming back to normal, it seems like we don't really spot any international visitors here except us foreigners here just walking. So yeah, what I can say, maybe let's stroll around, go there, maybe we will see night market or the restaurant or whatever it is open here. And one thing is there are so many hotels but looks deserted. 6:30 already, it's dinner time, and then what I can see behind me is actually, I think this is a part of night market, but only the shop selling souvenir, shop selling clothes, and yeah, this is how it is, you know, souvenir from Penang. And also this one, laundry, vape shop. I don't know. Let's
go a little bit further forward and let's see. But not much is going on in general. There are some restaurants open, but as you can see, without the customers, nearly without, or with just very little, like this one. For example, here there are actually 2, maybe 3 customers here, which is like this one. I mean, never been here, but when I came here, and my first impression is that there's not much is going on in general over here. This is the road going to the beach as well of Batu Ferringhi. You can see many interesting small bars and cafes and restaurants, and in general this is the main street, and where there was the laundry service and the agency for the tours and stuff like this, but everything seems like literally quiet, huh?
And then over there, I think this is oleh-oleh shop. I mean souvenir shop. Even, you know, I don't know, it doesn't really look optimistic.
Doesn't look optimistic. Also here some nice cafe used to be, but it's closed, as you can see. You have a little fence, you cannot get inside, so looks
very nice, you know, coffee garden and everything. And I bet that this area is also famous for the bars at night. And look at this beautiful restaurant with the Chinese accent, you know, but seems like no customers inside. So I'm just wondering, guys, maybe people in Malaysia can help us to answer this. Do we come in the wrong time to Batu Ferringhi, guys? I don't know, it seems like everything is deserted here. Just because in Batu Ferringhi it was quiet and deserted, I need people surrounded me. So we just decided to go to the Straits Quay Marina Mall. I know mall, but this mall is different. We will face the ocean as well. So yeah, let's go inside to cool down. Actually, when we were in the bus cost us only 2 ringgit per person from Batu Ferringhi to here. But unfortunately, the aircon doesn't work and Damian already melted. So we have to go inside the mall to cool down.
That's it, let's go to the mall there. Inside the mall, nice mall, but doesn't look busy either. At the front is the ocean and the harbor, so that's interesting. They have some nice shops and bookshops and nice alleys, nice decor, nice design, but well, doesn't look very optimistic regarding the crowds here. But you never know, nice architecture actually, that's for sure. So it's hilly marks and everything, so I believe many expats living also in this part of Batu Ferringhi and Penang, because well, those bars are definitely for expats. But inside the building facing the marina, we're gonna go now to marina, but bars quiet, I mean empty. It's already 7 o'clock. Also some prices for the alcohol, yes, this is like in these countries prices are a little bit higher, but that's for obvious reason, right? But you guys, maybe inside the mall it doesn't look optimistic, but outside the mall is beautiful marina over here. To be honest, I didn't know as Penang have a marina like this one. Nice, actually nice.
Fancy.
Fancy.
I don't know either, even that long time ago. I just came here for one night, and I didn't know that this place such a very cool place. And there are so many Irish bars surrounded facing the marina.
That's also very interesting fact, and think why here so many Irish bars. That's interesting. Maybe many expats actually from Ireland living here. Maybe something like that. Must be something. Those bars from outside. Okay, from outside there are some people enjoying their time. It's Monday afternoon when we are filming that. Another Irish bar, the hill is obviously, but there are some people that's good. There are some expats, Irish flags together with Penang flags. Nice. I used to live in Northern Ireland for 4.5 years. Maybe some of you don't know. So for me, it's actually back a little bit like my early 20s. I spent early 20s actually in Ireland. So yeah, I mean there are some bars like a Rock Cafe. There is something, people enjoying their time, actually very nice. I didn't know. This is a little bit modern. It feels a little bit like a big city actually already with beautiful marina, huh?
Yes.
Very nice.
Wow. I think the people who live here is just like middle up level, right, honey?
I think so again, middle up.
Look look at the catamarans here.
Yeah, catamarans, people cycling. Oh, they have the best Italian wood-fired pizza in town. Okay, so as you can see from the background, there is the panorama of Georgetown, the bridge, one of the many of bridges actually, Marina with the nice yachts here. Also some condominiums, the mall itself, like I mentioned previously, I think people living over there. There's another condominium, this is bars and part of the condominiums, hotels with the definitely colonial style, British architecture, that's definitely, and also over there there's condominium. And I think most of the people here actually who are strolling around and chilling in the bus, they are expats who are living here. Pretty cool place, that's without any doubts. So this is the island life, but a little bit different than the island life what we know, right?
Honey, this is fancy luxury island life. Look at the big tall buildings. I think this is condominium, probably more expensive than, you know, the prices in Kuala Lumpur, no? Because facing the ocean.
Probably because of facing the ocean. The condos with the view of the ocean, like this one. That's definitely different island vibe. But no matter how beautiful here it is, it's beautiful without any doubts, but feels quiet a little bit. Or maybe it's just very cozy vibe here, like island life, similar to Langkawi, Penang here, Batu Ferringhi. I don't know. You can let me know, what do you think? Maybe you used to live here and it was always like that, or maybe it's just quiet currently, but definitely cozy. I mean, the vibe is very like relaxing here. That's without any doubts, guys. That's the menu of the pizzas in case if you would like to come here. It's not the cheapest, but it's also not that bad, right?
So when we check the pizza, I know that Damian loves pizza, but actually a bit pricey for us, the pizza, so we decided to move to different places. Probably we will go to the hawker center, yeah, honey, yeah?
Yeah. Actually, we used to pay in the prices like this in Bali, but we have to keep our budget since we left Bali for good, and we still don't know where will be our home base, you know. But it's okay. Hawker center here in Malaysia are still nice. We're gonna go to next location. Alright, so we arrived to the new location, which is Gurney Drive. As you can see everywhere around, there are condominiums. There is actually hawker center, Gurney hawker center there. They have a nice wonton noodles, we're gonna show you around. There is the one roundabout. Everywhere there are condos. And in my opinion, this is one of my favorite areas of Penang, of Georgetown, if I would like to stay in Penang Island, obviously. Only 5 minutes drive from the previous location. So it's cool, and it's also a little bit modern, more modern than the old town of Georgetown.
Behind me here is the Gurney Drive. Gurney Drive is actually planned seafront park that coming from reclaimed area. This Gurney Drive is a planned seafront park with land for this purpose currently being reclaimed of Gurney Drive in Georgetown, Town Penang, intended as a new iconic waterfront destination for Penang. So this is a very interesting fact about the Gurney Drive that I read from Google, Wikipedia. So upon the expected completion of Gurney Drive by August 2021, the 24.28 hectare seafront park will comprise 4 distinct recreational areas: beach, coastal grove, water garden, and seaside retail food and beverage area. But now, already 2023, but I couldn't see anything here in the Gurney Drive.
So as you can see, unfortunately, it's delayed and doesn't look like it's gonna be finishing this year either. This is what we realized in Penang, as everything is slightly quieter than it was. And well, I don't know. What is your thoughts about that? Oh, this car, this Honda is actually from Thailand, from Bangkok, I think, sayang.
Wait, you can cross from Thailand here by land?
Yes, you can. People crossing.
I never been to Thailand before, I don't know.
Oh, we're gonna go maybe soon. But look at this traffic. We have to cross the street and going to the hawker center, Gurney Drive Hawker Center.
Honey, do we come in the wrong time again?
I don't know. We have little bit bad luck currently. This seems like it's closed. I mean, at least this part is closed.
Wait, let's go there. It's open there.
Oh, okay, so at least only half of the Gurney Drive hawker center is closed. At least some stalls are open. I hope so. They have a wonton noodles. I'm really carving for wonton noodles. But sad as the half is closed. That's actually very sad. Yeah, that's the wonton me. Here we go. I said, right. The hawker center Gurney Drive. Open air seatings area and the stalls very maybe not very but little bit similar to the one in the Newton in Singapore. Yes, little bit. I'm gonna tell you, they have a nice stuffs here, people enjoying their foods, some Westerners also here around. Unfortunately, only some stalls are open, but I saw the wonton noodle for me. I just don't know what you're gonna have it, Saya.
Yeah,
what do you think?
Let's go there.
But many tempting stuff, and actually quite many people here. It's not that bad. Not that bad. But well, like I said, I think many expats living in this part of Penang, actually. I think this area is popular for the expats because I like this kind of place. I mean, I like this area, actually. And let's focus on the food, what they have it here. I see the drinks, Hokkien mee, fried Quay, something like that, nasi lemak. Regular stuff. So eventually our wonton noodles arrive. Looks like this one with the drinks.
Thank you.
Our change. Thank you so much. And what is it again?
This one is ice lemon jelly. The uncle said this is the best.
This uncle over here, yeah.
And then I don't want to try es cendol because maybe it's too sweet for me. That's why he gave this one. And this one wonton noodle. Both is this one cost us around 12 ringgit.
13.
13 ringgit, sorry. And the drink cost us 7 ringgit.
So 21 ringgit. No, 20 ringgits for all.
20 ringgit for all?
Yeah, 20 ringgits for all. Yeah. You can calculate how much is it in different currency wherever you're coming from. But it's nice.
Nice.
And very affordable. And this is how the people enjoying their foods here, of course. Sayang, how is your, what is it? Ace lemon jelly. Is it nice?
So fresh, especially after, long walk and after getting heat walking on the street. So yeah, thanks for watching guys and see you tomorrow. Bye.